Welcome, dear listener.
Ever wondered how small daily efforts can lead to a life-changing opportunity? Today, White Eagle brings you a story of quiet perseverance that will not only inspire your heart, but also sharpen your English skills. I am Alex, and I am happy to be your guide today. Listen carefully to this story.
It is a story about a boy.
It is a story about hard work and big dreams.
There once was a boy.
He lived in a small, quiet village.
The village was beautiful, but people in the village liked comfort.
They did not like hard work.
They slept late.
They played often. They were happy with little. They believed life should be easy.
They said, "Why work hard?
Life is good." To them, comfort was more important. But the boy was different. He had a big dream.
He wanted a better life for his family.
He wanted to learn.
He wanted to grow. He felt restless.
He did not want to be like others. He saw time passing. He saw nothing changing.
He wanted meaning. So, one evening, he made a promise to himself.
He whispered, "I will not waste my time. I will not sleep while others sleep. I will wake early. I will learn something new every day. I will work hard."
This was his first step. This was his decision for consistent effort. He chose discipline over comfort. Every night, the boy stayed awake.
He opened his books. He read new words.
He wrote in his notebook.
His hands moved slowly. His eyes were tired.
But his hope was strong. While other children slept, he learned.
This was hard. Sometimes he felt lonely. He saw his friends playing. He saw them sleeping.
They did not worry.
They laughed at him. They said, "Why work so hard? Life is short.
Enjoy it," they teased him.
They called him the serious boy. Their words hurt him. He felt doubt. He thought, "Why am I the only one awake? Why must I fight so hard?" He wanted to stop. He wanted to rest like others. But a small voice inside him said, "Keep going. Your time will come."
This voice was his self-belief. It gave him strength. He knew his parents worked hard. He remembered his mother's words, "One day my son will have a better life." These memories pushed him forward. He overcame the doubt. He overcame the criticism. He believed in his purpose. The boy kept working. Every day he woke early. Every day he studied. No one saw his progress. It was invisible. He did not see big changes quickly. His house was still small. His clothes were still old. His dreams felt far away. But he knew something important. Growth happens in silence. It happens before it becomes visible. He was like a tree. A tree grows quietly underground. Its roots grow strong in the dark. Then, one day, it shows its leaves. He focused on small daily habits. He read one page every day. He learned a few new words every day. He wrote a few sentences. These were small steps. But small steps repeated every day become very big over time. He learned to trust his internal motivation. He trusted his purpose. He knew these small actions would build his future. Opportunities are earned through preparation, not just wishes. He was preparing. One day, a teacher from another town visited the village. The teacher heard about the boy. The teacher saw the boy's books and notes.
The teacher was surprised.
He saw the boy's discipline. He saw his deep thoughts. The teacher invited the boy to study in his town. This was a new opportunity. It was a chance for the boy to learn more. Then a golden opportunity came. A scholarship was announced. It was for young, talented students. It was a big test. The boy decided to try. He went to the big hall. Many students were there. They looked very smart. The boy felt small. But he remembered his silent work. He studied when others slept. He prepared when others rested. He was ready. He sat down for the test. It was hard, but he was calm.
He worked slowly, carefully. He trusted his preparation. He gave his best. Days later, the results came. The boy's name was at the top. He had won the scholarship. The village was amazed. The same people who laughed before now clapped for him. They respected him. He had transformed from struggle and loneliness to respect and success. He packed his small bag. He left the village to study more. Years passed. The boy became a young man. He had great knowledge. He had great confidence. He came back to his village. People looked at him with admiration. He taught children. He helped adults. He was a symbol of hope. He never forgot his early mornings. He never forgot the cold air. He never forgot the laughter of others. These moments built him. They taught him patience. They taught him belief in himself. He learned to trust his internal motivation and purpose. His quiet efforts made him strong. Dear listener, this story is for you. You are learning English. Your dream is like the boy's dream. It needs consistent effort. It needs discipline. What do you do when others sleep? Do you work on your English? Do you learn new words? Do you practice speaking? These small daily habits are very important. You may feel tired. You may feel lonely. People may not understand why you study so hard. They may say, "Relax. English is hard. It is too much." But remember the boy. He faced doubt. He faced criticism. But his invisible progress became visible success. Your growth happens in silence. Your small efforts are building your future. Opportunities will come to you because you are prepared. So, take your first step today. Start small. Read one English sentence. Learn 5 new English words. Practice speaking for 10 minutes. Do it every day. Do it when others wait. Do it when it is hard. Trust yourself. Trust your work. Your consistent effort will change your life. Your English will become strong. You will achieve your dreams. If this story resonated with you, hit the like button. Subscribe to White Eagle for more inspiring English learning content, and share your own work while others sleep moments in the comments below.